If this doesn't happen, you're missing the flight.
What's going on, guys? Today I am in Brooklyn, New York. Right behind me is Manhattan, New York, and I have a bit of a dilemma. I am heading to Germany right now to film some videos with the Mercedes G-Class. We're going to be starting at a castle, driving through the Pyrenees, and ending up in Barcelona, Spain.
You gotta be kidding me. Everything you just said is my favorite thing to do.
The problem is, I did not bring sufficient gear to film a car video. So I'm calling on the help of a friend, Sam Sheffer, who understands tech better than most people in this world. Let's go get an Uber and get to Lower Manhattan because the clock is ticking. We have 4 hours to get to the airport. Probably 3 hours and 55 minutes by this point. So let's go. All right, just got dropped off in my Uber. Statue of Liberty is like right behind me. Sam is apparently there right now, so I'm gonna go find out where this is. I'm around the corner from it. Traffic was crazy. I've got Sam here. Sam, you've seen his channel. We did an inboard video before on our main channel.
Sam Sheffer, Sledgehammer, take 2.
But he is now gone full-time YouTuber where he was masterful last time.
That's right. That's
Yeah,
right.
how's it been being a YouTuber?
It's been great. I just hit 150,000 subscribers like 2 days ago, and making videos whenever you want about whatever you want is awesome.
Okay, cool. So here's what's going on. I'm gonna be driving the G-Class, the brand new Mercedes G-Class, which is like, you know, Logan Paul has his Yeti that he drives. It's that, but it's redesigned for like the first time in a long time. And I wanna be able to get some shots maybe outside of the car, maybe a shot inside of the car, and then maybe some aerial shots.
Do you have gear?
I have 3 GoPros, and I have like an Osmo type thing, like a GoPro stick thing. Yeah. And then this camera right here.
So you probably want GoPros on the car,
Yes.
like mounted on the car, probably one inside and then maybe a drone.
Yep.
All right, let's go shop. For whatever reason, the order number couldn't be found on that person's computer. First, we went to a merchant, the credit card thing wasn't working, and then the next person helped us 2 seconds. This guy couldn't find the order. If this doesn't happen, you're missing the flight.
Or I'm forgetting about B&H, I'm not buying anything, and I'm just gonna go to the flight and actually try to make it without the stuff. Because I still have to go get my luggage from the front. They like maybe check all that stuff, so whew, sketchy.
Very important, terabyte hard drive.
Okay, boom.
USB-C to USB-C cable.
Perfect.
Great. This is the GoPro. All right, mount 1, mount 2, mount 3, and then 328 gig card.
Yes.
We are good to go.
Okay,
you need to catch a
We're
flight.
good. This is the get the Uber, and then I gotta go get my bags and we're out of here. B&H, it was tricky. He's got a boosted board on his back.
This is not typical.
And then
my board's also that one too.
You know you can get an interchangeable battery and you don't have to carry 2 boosted boards? 38. Okay.
I'm coming with you, Dan.
Thank you. I would love to have you come with.
Dude, enjoy. I hope you make your flight.
Thank you. Thank
me
you
know.
for your help, seriously.
You're welcome.
You're the best.
I'll see you in Utah.
Okay.
I'll see you on YouTube.
All right, made it to the airport. We're at Newark, New Jersey Airport, and we have 45 minutes till my flight takes off. This is a bit too tight for an international flight. Let's hope that luck is with us today. Where do we go? All right, great news. The plane is not even boarding yet. Everybody's lined up behind me. We totally made it. So yeah, Sam Sheffer, thank you for hooking me up. The fire alarm just turned on here in the Lufthansa Sky Lounge. That's pretty loud, but I'm gonna eat my food, go get on the flight. I'm not going out of this building. Oh, look at that plane. I can't film a plane? Can't film a plane?
You can't film the plane.
I can't?
You can't.
Oh wow, that's a first. Well, apparently those FBI people say that you are not allowed to film a plane. The exterior of a plane is apparently off limits. That's first. Legroom. Well, Hopefully it lays down and I can sleep, but we'll see you guys on the other side. I have just landed in Frankfurt, Germany. The view looking out the airplane was gorgeous, so beautiful. So I slept for 6 hours of the 6.5 hour flight. I feel good, refreshed. It's like 1 a.m. back in New York where I just slept, but I feel good. So now we've got about 2 hours till my flight. I'm meeting Zach and a bunch of press people that are going to this event in Perpignan, France, and we have our flight. So first I need to go through passport control, and then I'm going to find the Lufthansa lounge, since I have first class, and see if I can take a shower and get dressed into some different clothes so I'm not just wearing this. I like my YouTube shirt, but this is like a fancy going to a castle, a Mercedes event, and I should probably be wearing something a little more professional. So anyway, that's the plan right now. That's what's going on. I smell really yummy European bread, so I'm gonna get some of that too. But anyway, thought I'd bring you along, show you what I'm up to today. You guys can keep me company on this little trip. Tomato salami pizza, that's what I got. Bakeries are so much better in Europe. It is crazy. Crazy. All right, so right now we are in this terminal. It is super empty. I guess it's just like private charters and planes and stuff like that. But they have fancy food for us. We have about an hour and 15 minutes till we take off, and Zach is not here yet, so. We got Zach. How's Germany?
It was good. Let me turn off.
You've been here for a day?
Yeah. It's way better.
What are you listening to? Just there, Zach.
It's a good song. Anyway, no, it's way better than last time because we got here. So last time we were in Amsterdam for 1 day.
Yeah.
Like the jet lag was just insane.
Yeah.
But now I feel like 100% good.
Oh, good. That's nice. It's got to be nice.
Yeah.
I slept like 5 hours on the flight, but I'm good. All right, so Zach hasn't eaten yet. We need to get him some protein. They've got some weird barbecue chicken over there that you might like.
Oh, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Part of the day where we get on our private jet to Perpignan, France. Never thought I'd say that before. Okay, so here's the overhead lug containers right here. My bag didn't fit in any of them, so I gave it its own seat with the seat belt. Good luck, bag. Yeah, I think that'll work. What do you think?
Is the seatbelt on your suitcase?
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's fine.
Jerry-rigged. Jerry-rigged it.
As long as the health and safety of the suitcase is all right, we'll be good. That's fine.
We're not in Ireland, Northern Ireland, so I think we're okay. Health and safety is good. It's good. All right, now that we made it to Perpignan, France, I think this is a good chance to end this video. Look at this cup. I'll give you a little hint of what's coming tomorrow. But we have some interesting things coming up over the next 2 days. That's gonna be fun. But I hope you liked the travel from New York City, actually from Brooklyn to New York to New Jersey to Frankfurt to here. It's been quite a long day, but good. So the fun is about to begin though. All right, see you tomorrow.